Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will make a sketch of a hawk's head. I will use a fountain pen. You may use one like this or a fine marker or even a pencil. And we will begin with the hooked beak. I will test a new format for this tutorial. It will be a little bit longer and not as sped up, so you can see the detail better. But it will have little narration. In the comments, please let me know what do you think about this. In order to see my new works of art, I would like to invite you to follow me on Instagram @ArtistLeonardo. And of course, you can also see the drawings from the tutorials as reference on the Instagram account @fine.art.tips. And as always, the list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. The eye will go over here. We can draw short lines like this to indicate the feathers. I will add a little bit of water to it with a brush to give it a slight tone. I do it at this early stage because I don't want to have a lot of ink on the paper. I just want to have a few lines so that the tone will end up pretty light. Every ink and every paper are different. So if you want to do this, please first make a test on a scrap piece of paper. The more ink you have, the darker it will get. And we carry on drawing the feathers with the pen. We will also have to go over some lines again because they may get a little blurry with the water. As all this lower half will be in shade, we can give it a flat tone with some hatching. Lastly, let's refine some lines. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code. I'm watching you like a hawk. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Let me know if you liked this format for the tutorial, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.